Well done, Paul.
All the way onto your foot.
Show me how it's done, Paul.
I can do a bump on you.
Hello, ball. Videoing here.
He's doing bumps, Nonna. Show Nonna.
Show me how you kick the ball.
The iPad.
No, I'm videoing Grandad.
Come on.
Come on, over to Grandad.
Kick the ball. Show Nonna how you kick it. Gotta watch it. Go all the way onto your boot. All the way. That's it. And again. Come on.
Ball.
Watch the ball go all the way onto your foot.
I'm only here for the ball, love. Show me how you kick it, because Uncle Shay and Uncle Connor want to see this.
Yay.
Well done.
And another one.
Hi.
You kicked it high.
Watch it. That's it.
Yeah.
Keep watching it.
Keep watching the ball.
All the way onto your foot. Whoa.
Oh, that was a good one. No, back to the ball.
Oh, second.
I will get it.
Come on. Kick.
Get it.
Oh, you want? No.